What's poppin', everybody? Biggie Juice Boy here, back with another video. And today we are doing a very specific and unnecessary tutorial. Now, that's all you know so far. So, what you might think, it's how to build the boat or whatever. This guy really has nothing to do with it. I mean, he has something to do with it, but I don't know that you'd be able to guess. So let's just jump right into it. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You'll just have to find out. And believe me, it'll become blatantly obvious in the end. You don't want that. Okay, 1 second. Let me just make whatever I'm doing clear. So here is a speedboat from some Scooby-Doo set, as it would be. And first, to do what I'm not going to tell you what we're doing, we're going to want to pop this part off entirely, with the blue part and all. You're going to want to take these green triangle pieces off. You want to leave the little dot things on there. Then you want to grab it right there and there, and just pull up. And no, well, that's not the result I was looking for. I'm just gonna. Okay, well, that's fine anyway. You take the engine part off, and you could peel this orange part off. If it breaks into a couple pieces, that's fine. Just fix it. You'll see here the guts of the boat. I actually took a few too many pieces. That should be there, and that should be there. And this piece is what you're left with. And this is like the inside of the boat. So to begin preparation, unlike, I put these back in just to show you that they would be there, but you're going to want to take out these two pieces. You can put them aside for now. Then you take out this top piece and one of these pieces, only one though. I take out the left one, but you can do either one. And that's all we need to remove from that. Then you take this engine piece, which has all these parts on it. You're going to take the yellow part, move it from there, and put it on the edge of this green piece. You are then going to take this part off, the motor part, the rotating part. You're gonna remove that, take this back, flip this around, and put that back right there, so it's like that. And this you can set aside for now also. Then take this piece, flip it around. My dogs are going insane. If you can hear that, you probably can, because they're very loud. So then you have this. From there, you can take this piece and just put that back where it would normally be. Or actually, first, you take whatever your Lego figure of choice is, and then you put it right back there. And then you can take this and put it back where it should be. Then you leave these white pieces here for now. Actually, don't put that back yet. You need to put that rotating piece there and replace all this. You can put extra stuff in there too if you want to remove that piece. It just adds a little bit of support, but it's not necessary. So you could, put whatever. Then you're going to want to take these pieces and put them back where they would be beforehand, right there. Take this piece, pop that off, rotate it, and put it there, like that. Put that there, and that there, so it looks like that. Take the front part, and you can put one of the white pieces on the front like that. Then you're going to put that back where it's supposed to be. Take this piece, you can put it on the engine. You can move around where they are, but that's the idea. And there you have it. The very specific tutorial that I just showed you is how to keep a bunch of things, or a bunch of Lego components, or one Lego person and a couple other Lego components within a Scooby-Doo boat from a set that I can't remember, and have it still look like a boat. So this is how you would get past federal agents, you know, evading your taxes, commit treason or something like that, hide out in this boat. You may ask why we flipped that part, and it's so that no one will try to steal the boat. So they just see a boat, they're going to think, oh, it's an abandoned boat, I'm going to take it. But they can't do that, or they wouldn't, or they need to go find a motor or whatever. Or, not the motor, the, whatever it's called, the rotating bit. I don't know boats. So that's it. Yeah, obviously it's reversible, and I'll show you how quick you can do that. Just take the white pieces off. Take the flower blue piece off again. Whoops. I'll put it back where it was. Take the front bit off. Take the green bit. Whoop. Okay. If you take off too much, obviously, you can just put it back. Take off those bits. Take off this bit. Flip that. It's a lot of steps, but it's pretty easy. I've done it a couple times and I know it from memory. Probably because this idea came from my mind. Put that back onto there. Can take the person out. Put that and that back. Just put all the white pieces back, essentially. Everything goes back where it was initially. Take this part off the engine. Can put this back where it's supposed to be, which is there. And yeah, then you just put that back. Squeeze everything into place. That and that. And put that back there. And then there's your normal boat again, so that you can actually ride it. Would this work with an actual boat? Almost. Definitely not. But there's probably room in a, depending on what size boat you have, there's probably room for you to stow away in. However, they would probably know, whoever's after you would probably know of extra space in there. But this is just a speedboat where you wouldn't really have that much space to fit yourself in, so you gotta adapt and overcome. So that's the very specific and unnecessary tutorial of the day. Will anyone follow this tutorial? Well, let's think about it. How many people are gonna watch this video? I don't know, 10 to 20 probably, maybe even less than 10. Anywhere between 0 and 20 people will probably watch this. How many of those people will have this set? Probably none of them, unless they see the thumbnail, and they're like, oh, that attracts my attention because I have that set. But otherwise, chances are they probably don't have the set. Who would care, even if they do have the set? No one. So, chances are, no one's gonna do this tutorial. But I had fun doing it, so I'll see you guys later.